How to add picture style in Microsoft Word. So if you want to add style on your picture, so for my example, I add style here. So you'll have to do is click the picture you want to put style. After you click the picture, on the top page menu here on the upper left side on your screen, you can see here the picture here. So here in picture page, you can see the different picture style. The simple frame white, the beveled matte white, metal frame, drop shadow rectangle, reflected rounded rectangle, and you can click the arrow down on the right side for more picture style. So you can see the simple frame white and many more. So for my example, I add picture style, the bevel perspective, and now you can see the picture is now set on this style. So another, I change into relax perspective white, and that's it. And if you want to remove this style, click the picture, and here in picture section or page, click again the picture style arrow down button, and you can see here below the clear style to remove this style of this image.